How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to set up your DMARC record for your Klaviyo account. So DMARC is your domain-based message authentication, reporting, and conformance setting that's tied to your domain configuration whenever you guys send emails to your subscribers. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So the first step we need to take here is obviously you want to log into your Klaviyo account as an administrator. And once you guys are here, once you're in the dashboard, you want to navigate to the bottom left corner of your screen where you see your profile icon. So from here, you want to click on it like so and click on settings. And this should redirect you to a new page where you get to configure these settings under your Klaviyo account. So you'll be met with a couple of different tabs, as you can see here. So there's account, billing, email, SMS, push notifs, data, and whatever. So from here, you want to click on email like so. And right away, you'll see the fourth option says domains. So from here, you want to click on domains like so. And you want to add a branded sending domain because this is where the DMARC record actually lies. So you want to click on add, just like that. Then you want to select your root domain. And then you want to basically copy this over, or you can have it custom. Doesn't really matter. Here we are. And you want to click on next. Select a DNS provider. So let's just do Namecheap, for example. Click next. And here are the name servers for your Klaviyo store. So you guys want to click on save, like so. And you guys are done. You've successfully set up a couple of DMARC records for your Klaviyo account under your store's domain. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily, so if you guys want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.